Hi guys, Kirby here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick little makeup tutorial for you. Right now I am priming my eyelids with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Butterscotch. Now I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Alien palette and I'm going to be using the color Area 51 in my crease. Next, I'm going into the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm going to be using the color Cavity to blend out the color Area 51 in my crease. I'm going to first pack on the color above the crease area and then blend it out. Now I'm using the color Tone Pop to slightly blend out the color Cavity. Next I'm using the Buff 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the color Light to cut my crease. This time I'm doing a half cut crease. Now I'm going back to the Alien palette and I'm going to be using the color Interstellar on the half cut crease area. Now I'm just filling in my brows with the brow pomade from F Cosmetics. Now I'm going above my brow with that same Born This Way concealer. Now for my face, I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Chai and the No Pore Blend Prime Essence from Touch and Soul. And now I'm using the new Benefits Cosmetics K Plus Concealer in the color number 10. This concealer is so lightweight and it really is cakeless. It feels like I'm putting nothing on and it just looks amazing. Now I'm going to use the Becca setting powder in the color Golden Bronze. This powder is so refreshing, and when I apply it, my brush actually feels wet. I love it. And now I'm going to contour with the Cover FX Face Palette. I'm going to use that same palette for blush. Going back to that Alien palette, I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line with that color Area 51, the same one that I placed in my crease. Gonna spray a little more of the Continuous Setting Spray, my all-time favorite. Now going back to the same face palette to highlight. Now I'm going to use my favorite Urban Decay eye pencil from my waterline, and I'm going to use the Kat Von D tattoo liner above my lash line. Now I'm using my new favorite, the Tarte Big Ego mascara. Now I'm going to line my lips with the Appeal Gel Liner in a dark brown color. And for the center of my lips, I'm going to place the Kylie Jenner and Jordan Woods collab, one of their lipsticks in the color Woods. And then I'm going to top that with the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please like, comment, and subscribe to let me know what you think. I appreciate all the support that I am getting. And another good giveaway is coming soon. So please stay tuned for that. And I hope to see you guys again soon. Hopefully there are no more long breaks for me. Work has been getting crazy, but I'm getting the hang of things now. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye.